22 divided by 22 over 5, then times 5. First we do this multiplication. 22 over 5 times 5. We can easily cancel this 5 and this 5. So here we have just 22. So 22 divided by 22 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 22 divided by 22 over 5. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write to keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 5. 22 times 5 over 22, then times 5. We can easily cancel this 22 and this 22. So we have just 5 times 5, which equals 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 25.